Hi, mates. Welcome back. Crypto Leverage Trading Group Part 3 here. We're in TradingView. We're talking about beginner sessions here, just talking about zones, how to read these zones on the short-term time frame. You can translate these over to your longer time frame, which we typically trade on. Most traders that are scalping and swing trading are using these lower intervals, but you can see how it's very easy to set up these charts and trade within these zones, okay? Either buy up or sell down. All right. And that's really how you want to um, think about it in terms of what you're really looking to do and accomplish with zonal trading. Okay. And this is basically, a really easy way to like map out with TradingView. TradingView is kind of one of the best that you'll see. Um, we clear. A lot of the other ones are backlit. A lot of the other ones are dark, so you can't. It's harder sometimes for a lot of people, on some of the charting. But as long as you don't backlight or dark light mode, TradingView almost white back. Right, really, you could see visibly what's happening here within the zone. And this is how you're marking it. See how it's staying in this zone the entire time in 3 videos we're doing 5-minute videos tonight. So 3-minute videos. We're staying within this trading zone. Okay. And that zone, can be anywhere between, for Bitcoin, 40 points to 150 points, basis points. That could be the zone. Okay. And so you want to stay within that zone in terms of where either you're waiting or you're in a trade. And what I mean by that is you could be neutral here and not in a trade. Like I said, that 50 level RSI is not attractive to me really. But it is to a lot of traders, who don't really care about RSI, because it's still trading now here on the 1 minute. It's dropped to 45. And we'll go, let's pop up to the 5 minute and see where we're at. And it's at 45 as well. Okay. So it's making that move further south, which is what I want. I want to get as low on that RSI level as I can for an entry. Okay. When you're trading this, and take my beat. If I'm going to take a beating, then get out of it and then re-enter. Okay. 231 RSI is 45. We get down here, we're looking at an RSI of about 38. Okay. So that gets us lower to, and that's on the 5 minute, that gets us lower to where we want to be. Okay. And so here's the line in the sand right here. All right. And that's what we're looking at. Because when it hits this line here in your zone, you have support here. So the probability of it bouncing off of this level is higher. Same as if you were to come up to here, the resistance level. The probability of breaking through that resistance is lower. Okay. So when it hits this resistance level, if it fails to confirm higher, you want to enter your sell down and then you'll play your trade out. Here, you'll wait for it to enter in here, okay, to challenge this support level. Now, you have 2 options. Always have 2 options. Sell down, buy up. If it confirms that support and you have actual bounce off a lower level RSI, then you buy up because you're buying off to the support, okay? And you're going to run that trade all the way back up to the resistance level, okay? And vice versa. Selling down at the resistance level at a high elevated RSI level like you saw here, okay, at the top, that was an RSI of 62. It ran all the way back down to 30, 31, okay, and then came back. That would have been the best entry right there at 30 on this, on a 30, below a 30 RSI for Bitcoin. If you look at the historical technical analytics of that, it tends to move back up, okay? Doesn't mean it can't fall lower than 30 RSI, get into the 20 RSIs, but it doesn't stay down there for long, okay? And that's important to keep, a factor on when you're looking at. So 350 was right in the middle of the range here, okay? So you have it still sitting between an upward resistance and a bottom support level, okay? Neutral, if you think about it. You certainly can play within that range in the middle, but again, your profit is going to be less than if you played it at the top or at the bottom.